Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shraddha, and last video you have seen how to work with the Assertion in a Playwright. I have already explained in my previous video. So if you haven't watched my previous video, please go ahead and watch it. And you can see here the Assertion, and this is the description. This is the official website of the Playwright. Let me open it. So before open the Playwright, this is my channel. Please subscribe, share and like. And if you put on the youtube.com/TechieShraddha, so you will see my channel, and please subscribe. So you can see here, this is the official site of Playwright, and here you can see on the top Playwright Docs API Node.js. I'm using Node.js, so I have already selected this one, community. If you want to select any other programming language, suppose you want to Python, you can click on the Python and click on the docs, so you will able to see the Python document here. If you want to click on the .NET and click on the doc, you will see here the .NET document one by one. If you want to see, you can click on that. So I'm using JavaScript, so that's why I just selected the JavaScript. And now scroll down, I'm doing, and just select the Assertion. So scroll down a little bit. Yes, so you can see here Assertion, and this is the description. So there is different type of Assertion. You can use as per your requirement, or you can use for the practice purpose. And there is one more thing. If you want to use the negative assertion, you can use the .not. Suppose I want to use the to contain text. So if we are using this assertion as a negative, so we will use the .not. So .not is basically use the negative assertion. So in this series we will talk about the hard and soft assertion. So let's get started. So these all are assertion, you can see these all are assertion is a hard assertion. Suppose for example, if I'm writing the to have URL or to have title, to be visible, so these three assertion if we write, so hard assertion, if we talk about, basically if the first assertion, this assertion will fail, it will not execute the rest of two assertion. It will immediately terminate the program, or it will not going to execute it this two assertion. Because if the first assertion will fail, it will immediately terminate the program. But if we talk about the soft assertion, so suppose we have three assertion in the soft, we write for the soft assertion, like to have URL, to have title, to be visible. Suppose this first assertion will fail. So what soft assertion will do, it will not terminate the program immediately. It will go and check the second assertion. Suppose in case of second assertion will also fail, so it will not terminate the program or execution. It will go and check the third assertion. So if the third assertion will pass, it will show the pass. But in these two assertion, it will show the failed. This two assertion will fail, but this assertion will show pass. So simply, if we want to understand this hard assertion and soft assertion, differentiate that if the first assertion will fail in the while executing the execution time, so it will immediately terminate the program and it will not go to check the next assertion or second assertion. It will immediately stop execution of the program. But instead of going for the hard assertion, we will use the soft assertion, because soft assertion is check one by one. Suppose we have 3 assertions, so it will first assertion will fail. It will not stop immediately the program. It will go and check the rest of 2 assertion as well. If the second assertion will also not work, it will check the third assertion. So basically it will not terminate the program immediately. It will go and check it that the rest of the assertion or rest of the code or script is working or not first. If it is working, then it will execute to another assertion. So that is the difference between the hard and soft assertion. So let me show in the practical way. First, I will create one file, and here I am going to give it the name of the soft assertion. Assertion.spec.js. And so first what we need to do, first we will import the package. For that what we need to do, we will use the required method. Here I'm just and use the package name, and for that we need to, here we will use the function test and expect for validation, and these are constant. So this is the, we imported the package, and after that what we need to do, we will go the test block, and here I'm providing the module name. So module name, suppose I'm providing the assertion, soft assertion underscore page, and just writing here the anonymous function. For that anonymous function we will provide the page fixture, and page fixture is always decorated with the curly braces, not this curly braces. And for that we will write the anonymous function and use the curly braces, and here we will write the application where we want to navigate. So page dot go, it's not working. Okay, let me here page dot let me check it. Okay, it's not a page, it's a age showing, so that's why it's not allow me to. Okay, now I will go and write the page dot go to, and now it will, here I will go and just provide the, so not this one, I want to go, I'm just using this application URL, suppose Control C, and paste it here, Control V. Now use the await keyword for wait for the promise, and this is basically navigate for the this application. Now I'm going to validate. For that what we need to do here, we will use the first what we need to do here, we will use suppose I want to await expect page dot to, first we will use the title of this application I want to check. So for that, this is the application of this page, we want to check it. For that, what we need to do, right click on inspect, and write on the search box title, because we need to check the title of this page. So it is showing the 80. So first we need to click on the first one. This is the second one, and the first one is this. So this is the title of the page, Control C, and I will go and paste it here. And second one, I want to validate here expect page and dot to have URL. So we need to provide the URL of the application. So exactly this URL we need to provide. Control C. So we need to provide this URL. This is the application URL. And I want to use the one more assertion. Suppose submit button is visible or not. So visible. So for that, first we need to find the locator of this button. So I can see here like class but not ID. So button type is submit, class is push button hyphen wide, and this is the inner text. So first we need to check it that this is the unique element on this page. Control C and Control F. So first what we need to do, dot and provide the value. So this is showing 1 of 1. So this one is the unique value of this web page. Control C, and now we're gonna use here. First we need to do what we need to do here. First just use the locator page dot locator for the locator of this button is I have to use this one, and then we need to use here await, and for this value we want to store in the variable. So I'm just using here the push button suppose, and this is the const use here, and let me, okay, so after that we need to validate that. We need to validate. For that, what we can do, await keyword we are using here, and then expect method. So using the expect method, and then push button, Control C, and provide here inside in this round bracket, and dot to be visible, method. So, and now I'm going to save first, because if we are not going to save, so if you want to save, you can use the Control S, or you want to use this save option. So I have already saved this file, and after that, in this command, in this terminal, we will provide the command npx playwright and test. After that, test, and exact what is your file name. You have to provide the correct file name, otherwise it will give you the test found error. Assertion dot spec.js, you need to double check soft assertion. Here you can double check soft assertion dot spec.js, and now enter. So first it will execute internally. Let me just wait for a couple of seconds, and then you can see here 3 passed. If you want to see the report, you can provide this Control C, this command, Control V, and enter. Then okay, I'm getting the port error, so space hyphen port, change the port number. So I'm going to provide the different port number. This is the port number we have already used, and this one 9323, so we cannot use it. And now just provide the different port number, and it will open the report. So double click and check it. You can see here to have title. If you want to see the test steps, you can expand that to have title and to have URL to be visible. So all test is got passed here. So everything you can see in this test steps. If you want to check in the, this is a Chromium. If you want to check in the Firefox, double click, go one by one if you want to check the steps, and then you can expand. So this way you can check the report. So all the test is passed. Suppose I want to use the this is a title, and I want to provide here the some number, or want to fail this test or this assertions. So I have, right here 2343, and let me execute this program and see the, because this is the hard assertion. So Control C, it will not execute the rest of these assertion like URL and to be visible. These two assertion it will not execute, because intentionally I am giving the 2343 some random number and try to fail this assertion. So hard assertion will not go and check the rest of these two assertion. So let me execute, provide the Control V, enter, and let me see. It will definitely show the failed this how it can passed. Okay, we did not saved it, that's why it's not. First we need to save it. Every time whenever we are changing anything in the file, we need to save it. So now I'm going and just provide again the same command, Control C, and use the different use the new terminal, Control V, and enter it. So let me see that. So now we can see the report. So how we can see the report? Here's the test. So intentionally I am providing here some number 2342, and it is, you can, here I'm just checking the report. First I will show you the npx. First I will show you the execution of this program, is how it's goes npx playwright test soft assertion .spec.js, enter, and then it will take a couple of seconds, and you can see here the report. It generated the report, and if you see here, it's showing the to have and expect to have title. It's showing it's this assertion is failed, and after that the rest of two assertion to have URL and to be visible, it's not executed, because in hard assertion, if any assertion will fail, it will immediately stop or terminate the program. So this is known as a hard assertion. So now I will talk about soft assertion. So same assertion I will copy here, Control C, and first what we need to do here, first I have to just comment all these assertion. It's a hard assertion, so let me write here hard assertion, so it will easy to differentiate hard assertion. And now I will talk about the soft assertion. Soft, first we need to give the comment soft assertion and enter and paste it the same assertion here, and only we need to write here dot soft, and also here similarly dot soft, and now here we need to specify dot soft. So these all are soft assertion. So soft assertion is basically used whenever we need to execute our all the assertion. So we need to execute our program. So suppose here you can see we have three assertion. One is to have title, to have URL, and to be visible. So to have title, I have already provided here some random number or digit. So this assertion will definitely fail, but in soft assertion, it will not stop or terminate rest of these two assertion. It will go and check it the next assertion is passed or fail. If it is passed, then it will show the pass, and then if it is fail, it will not terminate. If it is fail, it will not terminate the execution. It will go and check in the next assertion. So soft assertion is more useful and always be recommended, because it will not terminate the program immediately. It will go and check the other assertion or other validation. So and for soft assertion, we need to write the expect method and expect dot soft. So whenever we are validating any assertion, we need to use the soft keyword here. So let me first save it, or you can save Control S or go file option. Okay, first we need to open it then I'm able to see if we want to save through the file. Now we can click on the file. So I have already saved it, and now I will open the new terminal and provide the command in the terminal npx playwright tests and provide the file name. So file name is soft assertion spec.js. So this is a soft assertion. I'm just executing, and let's see. It will take a couple of seconds to execute this program, and you can see here to have title, it's giving the error, and open the report. It's already generated, and we can see here the test steps, or here you will be able to see to have title, it's showing little arrow, and if you see to have URL, it's parsed, and to be visible, it's also parsed. So here you can see the cross sign here, that means this assertion is failed, and rest of assertion you can see to have URL and to be visible is passed. So now we can expand and see this assertion is passed because you can see here the check sign, and here is a cross. So in this way you can use the assertion in a Playwright. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe, share, and like. Hit the notification bell also, so you will get the latest and new video, and you will don't miss any my videos. And if you have any question or queries, please ask me in the comment. I will definitely give the answer. And if you will subscribe me, I will show the winner name in my channel, and I will definitely promote you. So please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.